Alright boys, Avis 6540. Similar I feel to the competition lock, but it can be a bit tricky. Like the competition lock I suppose. There we go. You see me there? Yeah. Where's my thingy gone? There it is. So that's a bit shit. Not a better one. Might be better. That's better. Alright, what we can do. False set. Oh, no, fuck that up. Come on, where are you? I'm sure it's that back one. What's that? Ah, there we go. Not bloody long enough. Alright, let's see if we can get away with doing the second one in the same video. If I be that daring. Going for the big fella. Let's try him the same vid. Dairy bastard that I am. No doubt I will fuck this one up. Quick, before I run out of bloody video. Got that, yeah. Oh, full set ready. Come on, we're alright. There we go. 2 in 1 video. Fucking superstar. Cheers lads. Bye.